Today I test which car crash game has the best crashes. Another type of video from Hugo Games is when that we will see which car crash game has the best crashes. Without any further details, let's jump in. First off, let's start with FlexicX. That car crash seemed like a good bang. No offense, by the way. Let's try another car, and we will see if it's good. Ouch. That probably seemed like it was like a sad crash. How unfortunate. Well, FlexicX did a great job, so this game gives a 9 out of 10. Now, let's start off with DriveX. Definitely should have used a better car. Oh well. Well, I know for a fact DriveX was a good game, but since that I was too lazy to buy more cars, that's what I'll get. For now, this game gets a 7 out of 10. Now, let's try Beam Drive Crash's original 3D. Definitely don't know what to say. It's overpowering the game, I guess. Yeah, you know what? Let's just get another car. Another car, and we'll see if it does some sort of damage. Seem to have little or damage. Next car. Really overpriced for something to even expect, considering that the car's engine is now broken. For just like BeamNG, they said, this game feels too cheap. So I am giving this game a 5 out of 10. Who is the winner? Guess what? FlexicX is the winner. I know I'm really starting to like this game, to be honest. But to the people that hate me about disliking FlexicX, I'm now liking it now because of how the game is good. I still like Beam Drive Crash's original 3D, and DriveX too, but I still don't like the owner because what they did almost a year ago. So yeah, more videos like these are coming soon. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out any of these types of videos. Anyways, see you in another video.